Still in Oregon. Another gloomy, rainy day. Big storms going through. Out at a place called Crownpoint on the Columbia River. It's a lookout. And just took a couple pictures and a little video of the mighty Columbia River. This is out east of Portland. It's a little east of Troutdale. And just pretty out there, even with the wind and rain and mist. It's still pretty, and that old Columbia River is really something. That's a big river, very big river, and it's always something to see. So still not sure of my timeline of when and where I'm going, because it's supposed to be some really cruddy weather coming up. So we'll just keep on keeping on, play it by ear as it goes. Well, we'll see you folks all later. Everybody have a good day.